It's now time for my neck, my back, my Busey, and my crack. Gary Busey, seen here, thinking about a bug in his mouth. It's like that big old dog that keeps knocking stuff off your coffee table with his tail, but he's just so lovable you can't bring yourself to put him down. Gary's had a rough time, and by time I mean life. During his bankruptcy hearings, we discovered that Gary is not the shrewd investor that you think. Turns out he's kind of running on fumes. Gary's assets are said to include, quote, $50,000, old moccasins, a broken pellet gun, and more than 300 VHS tapes. Comedians, I would like you to tell me as many of Gary Busey's assets as you can possibly think of in 60 seconds. Go. Bamford.
A large hoagie, and I actually did see him coming out of the woods when I was hiking in Malibu with an Italian Subway sub.
Okay, points. Dan Telfer.
Some snake dicks that he found on some snakes.
Points. Dan.
2 squirrel suits, one for squirrels, one made out of squirrels.
Points. Dan.
Jake Busey.
Points. Steve.
A legal pad full of alternate spellings of Busey.
Points. Dan again.
This old Band-Aid, he chewed on it for a while, but it's still good.
All right, points. Bamford.
A ceramic dog bank from Color Me Mine that he doesn't put money in, he just whispers wishes in it.
All right, points. Steve.
A mason jar full of thoughts.
All right, points. Bamford.
Mint condition copies of O Magazine.
All right, points.